as you guys can see, I am cooking my grass-fed lamb. And originally I was not going to film this, but I thought, what the hell, I'm making dinner, so I might as well show you guys what I'm doing, because you know I used to show cooking videos of me making keto nasty food porn, and now I'm trying to keep it simple and do some keto carnivore. Now let me show you what I'm cooking it all with. So I'm using bison tallow to cook with, and then I am just going to use the Celtic salt, and I dropped the Redmond, so where's that? I'm trying to do the first video where I messed up, so here's the Redmond's real salt right here, and I'll use that. These are my ingredients. That is it. Now this cut right here is going to last me 2 full days, because I won't eat this all in one go. Like other people are preaching, eat high protein because you can't lose weight and all this ridiculous non-science-ness. Now, I'm going to turn this off because it's very hard to film and cook and not destroy the perfect cookingness of this lamb. So as you can see, there's not enough fat, so I'm going to add fat. I'm going to add the very controversial Kerrygold, and I'll probably use almost this whole freaking bar. That's right. Now, often meat, it's to have it taste good, it's about the preparation of it. And people just, I think people overcomplicate things, so then they never get around to doing it. Oh, I can't cook, and so they just eat out in packaged foods. Keto carnivore makes things real easy because I'm just doing meat, fat, and some of my electrolytes right here that you need. Boom. That's it. Now I'm going to chase it, or pre it, with some grass-fed kidney and thymus, but I forgot to take the thymus out. I don't push supplements, but this stuff is great for DAO deficiency, otherwise known as diamine oxidase enzyme deficiency. Love this company, Ancestral. Don't work with them, but maybe I will because I love them. So now I'm going to chase it down with my best freaking multivitamin, and that is my grass-fed liver. Now I'm covering up where I got this from because it's got the number and all that kind of stuff, but I did get it from a company called Springville. I will do a video especially dedicated to them because they've been awesome to me. And if I were to have, let's say, this liver with my protein, I might have 2 ounces of this lamb and just 1 ounce of the liver, right? Love it. This liver is so yummy. I can't. It's just, oh, so good. So you guys, don't overcomplicate your foods. It's about the preparation of your meats, the tenderness of it, the cut of meat. Like I said again, unfortunately, this is not that fatty, but I saw this at Trader's and I'm like, I'm going to pick this up and give it a try. And I think that's it. Yes, if you guys want to learn more, go to stephanieperson.com. I will do more cooking videos, but this was done on the fly. I will show you guys, I've done it 2 videos. I'll show you how to make liver not taste so bitter and very palatable. Let's see, also you can go to my Instagram, which is Stephanie Ketogenic, or my Facebook fan page, which is Stephanie the Business Person, or stay right here on YouTube for more great videos. Or what else, as I'm just sitting here with burner off, not getting my stuff done. Or you can sign up for my keto course, which I did a consultation today with a woman who paid $100 a month to destroy her health. Almost had to go to the hospital. So mine is a lot cheaper and 1,000 times better. All right, now I think I gotta go. Boom. Tallow. Eat this whole thing of butter with my meat. Salt. Ancestral. Desiccated. Got the lamb, the liver, and I'm out. Peace.